Service to Windermere, Cordova to Lancaster, Oxenford Lake District, Kendal, Burneside, Staveley and Windermere. This train is called 6 coaches.
That yellow line.
Here we are at Preston station. This is our train to Lancaster. Hey, hello, Aaron. Pleasure meeting you here.
Same spot.
Yeah. Right. Okay, right, this is my seats. I know, someone's in there. I know, it may not open because of the thing. Let's see. Because we're in the station. Hello, Chester. Chester moments. So this is inside one of the Northern Rail 195 classes, or the 331s, aren't they now, aren't they?
195s.
Yeah.
The 331s are the overhead, these are diesel.
Pardon?
The 195s are diesel, the 331s are the electrics.
Yeah. Yeah. Here we go, look. Here we go, look. Here's my... Right. As soon as the train leaves, I'm going to be sitting in here, in the toilet. So I'll be taking my seats in there. Yes, yeah. That's because I talk like it, so I might as well sit on it. Yes, and also if you sit on the toilet, you're taking the pee. Or you're dishing out the SHIT. Yeah. Good thing about going in the toilet, you can hide from the.
This is the Northern Service
For the people who check your tickets. Only joking, of course. Okay. It's a train, maybe. Hello again, Chester. On the trains and sidings. Oh, looking out. Screen's a bit light on this one. So this train goes to Windermere, stops at Lancaster, Oxenholme, Kendal, Burnside, Staveley. Good morning. It's all right.
Thank you.
Pleasure. So I got a valid ticket, as you can see. If not, I've been arrested by now. Yeah. So when that door opens, it's to say door opening, smelling salts on as well, isn't it?
Something like that, yeah.
Yeah, especially after I've been in there. Oh, definitely the smelling salts. Okay, you're going to be a YouTube star today. Later on, I expect when I post this up on YouTube. Hope you realise that, Aaron.
I realise that.
Yes. Yeah. So next time that you're out and about, you'll be signing autographs. Yeah. Especially with Chester. Yep. And you won't be charging. Anyway, thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll catch you very, very soon. Bye bye.